In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow extensions to run in incognito mode on the Google Chrome web browser vertical bar PC tutorial. This is a quick Chrome setting that is useful when you want a specific extension to work while you are browsing in incognito mode. By default, Chrome disables extensions in incognito for privacy and security reasons. To begin, open Google Chrome on your PC. Once the browser is open, you will need to go to the Manage Extensions page. This is the area in Chrome where all installed extensions can be viewed and adjusted. If you already know how to access your extensions page, you can go there directly. Once you are on that page, look through the list of extensions installed in your browser and find the one you want to allow in incognito mode. After you find the correct extension, click on Details. This opens a page with more settings and permissions for that specific extension. Here, Chrome gives you additional control over how that extension behaves in your browser. On the Details page, look for the setting labeled Allow in Incognito. You will see a switch next to it. If the switch is off, that extension will not run in incognito windows. To enable it, click the switch so it moves to the on position. Once it is turned on, the extension will be allowed to run when you open an incognito window in Chrome. It is important to remember that this setting only applies to the extension you selected. If you want other extensions to work in incognito mode as well, you will need to repeat the same process for each one individually. Also, only enable incognito access for extensions you trust. Since incognito mode is often used for more private browsing, you should be careful about giving extensions access there unless you are confident they are safe and necessary. That covers everything you need to know.